Alright, so special thanks to this company for sending me their electric cleaning kit. Now, I can't really tell anything from the box on here. It's just white besides that sticker. Let's open it on up there. Let's see what we get. So this looks like some kind of bag to hold everything. Okay, so it's got all kinds of different brushes. Each brush pops on. Yeah, there's a little power cable. I wonder if it's rechargeable. Let's see. So here's like a full pole. So on the bottom here's where it plugs in. Okay, here's the other part of it. So this is the part that these actually stick into. You can tell by just how they look. They kind of just go right in. Does this? Oh, look at that. Okay, got another scrubber here. All right, got like a little wall mount there. Oh, got another pole here. And instructions, and that's it for the box. So it does have a battery in it, so that's pretty good to know. So this seems to be the main handle, then connects on to this, like so. And then this part connects on to this. Whoa, we're on somewhere. There we go. All right. Well, I wasn't expecting that, but that's what it does. You turn it on and it cleans. Put your different brush heads on, whether you want to use this brush head or this brush head or even that one. Comes with a little power adapter to recharge it. It is very light. Doesn't weigh a whole lot. That's of course a positive. I think that'll do it for this electric cleaning supply unboxing. Hope you guys liked the video. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.